Hi Gayatri.
Hi Mansi.
How are you?
I'm good, yeah. Thank you.
So in the past few months, I've been noticing that people are criticizing themselves based on either their body or their looks. So people say stuff like, "Oh, I'm ugly," or they'll say, "Oh, I'm looking so fat." I feel like you should love yourself for the way you are. But what are your thoughts on this?
Absolutely, 100% I agree with you, Mansi. We all, we've spoken about this before also, but I'll just share a beautiful thing. In nature, you find so many amazing examples, and nature has so much to teach us. So, when we think about beauty, when we think about this beautiful aspect of nature, there's one thing that I find very exceptionally pretty, and that is the snowflake. Have you noticed the snowflake? Yeah. Some of us, if you go online, you'll find so many pictures of different kinds of snowflakes, right? So the design of the nature is such, Mansi, that each and every snowflake is individually different from the other. And there are people who take microscopic pictures of those snowflakes, and they find different designs everywhere in each and every snowflake, in different shapes. Yeah. So there's something there that we can catch, and something that we can also hold on to and think about. When it comes to body, when it comes to human beings, you and me, different, all of us, one thing is very important to realize, that we all are different. And there's beauty in that difference. What happens is that we often try to compare ourselves with the others, and that's where the problem begins. So if I have a certain color of hair, or I have a certain color of skin, and I look at someone else who has a different color of hair and skin, and suddenly there is this comparison that happens, that, oh, that person looks better, or I want to become like that, or I want to be like that. And that's where, you start to then obsess, and you start to devalue your own self. Yeah. And that's where I think we go wrong.
So, but I think based on this, all of us would have the perfect role model, right? So, is it wrong to want to be exactly like them?
It's very important. So it's absolutely important and okay to have role models in life. Role models are people that we look up to, that we aspire to be, that we want to become like them someday. Or, there's some part of their life that inspires us to do better, to do more with our life and the time that we have. So role models are okay, and you should have role models in life, because they will teach you values that you can incorporate in your life. However, the point to note here is that there's a difference between being inspired by someone and being obsessed by someone, the word that you just used, right? Obsession is the next level, wherein you can't see left and right, you can't make out the difference between what is good for you and what is not, and you kind of, it's like an overpowering feeling over your mind, where somewhere your decision making capacity itself gets defunct, right? And that's where it becomes unhealthy. So yes, I can have role models in life, people who are successful, who have done well in let's say the field of my interest. But if it is going to a point where it's becoming an obsession, and I'm just not being able to decide what's good for me, then yeah.
So if comparing yourself to someone else, or obsessing over someone else and wanting to be like them, and then, as you said, you start devaluing yourself.
Correct,
because you don't feel you're good enough, you feel the other person is good. So how do I love myself, or how does a person love themselves for exactly what and how they are as a person?
So this world that we are living in, Mansi, has somewhere taught us that we are, somewhere from our surroundings, from the people around us, from the experiences we have had while growing up, somewhere everything has, taught us that we are not good enough and we need to do more. And that is where the root cause lies. That is where the root problem is. So we need to just begin with the fact that it is okay. The way I am is fine. Let's just like that snowflake, which is different, one is different from the other. This is how life is, this is how the design of the world is. I am going to be different than you. So the first thing is that stopping that comparison and accepting oneself the way they are.
Yeah.
Start looking at yourself. It's a beautiful analogy that you can, take up actually. But start looking at yourself as that one individual snowflake, adding beauty to the world with just being the way it is.
That's a lovely example, and help me and help others, because it explains a lot on how you should love yourself better. So thank you very much, and I hope to see you soon again.
Thanks, Mansi. It's always lovely talking to you. Thank you.